to feed it, give it something to drink. And we know, I mean,
oh my God.
I know, I mean, we know how you feel about those kinds of things. So that's why I said you can always send it back.
Yeah.
So,
If I have to feed it or give it something to drink, how can I send it back?
I love
You
puppies.
can't, don't worry.
you sent your last cat back.
So it doesn't matter. We'll just put it to sleep. It's all good.
My finger's going
Okay, so,
Yeah, so you just put your finger in there and then put your other hand in there and then just pull it apart.
It's not making any noise.
It's because I put it.
It's
I
Mine
wrapped
needs
it.
some water or food.
Yeah,
It's got a
took us-
tranquilizer.
there's a cardboard there.
I know.
Yeah,
It's
just
okay,
pull it.
just pull.
Just pull it out. It's just
Use
a
your
box.
muscles.
Oh my God! You cannot send me back. Oh my God! I just talked to you.
Just go pee.
I have to pee, man.
You need to water her and feed her.
Oh my! Oh, what a surprise that is!
Wait, let's get a picture of you holding that sign with Mom.
You see her face?
No, I
You
can't
didn't?
really see it. No.
Did anybody?
I have it on video.
She was like close to the box. There. Okay.
I should.